Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a product review Jasper AI. So first things first, you have to go to jasper.ai, visit jasper.ai or www.jasper.ai, sign in with your account, select a plan that includes long form contents like creator or boss mode. So basically this is not for free. So you need to avail one of their plans, but it's okay. I'm still able to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to basically write a product review with Jasper AI. So first things first, you have to open the blog post or review template on the dashboard. Once you have availed the program here or plan here, you will see a template there in Jasper AI. So you can choose product description for short reviews, blog post outline for long form reviews, or simply go to documents, start from scratch for a full custom review. You can also chat Jasper AI for conversational style creation. Now, step 3. You can now type your request like this. Write a detailed product review for the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Mention key features, pros and cons, and who it's best for. Make it informative and honest. So in jasper.ai, you can also specify the tone, if it's professional, friendly, casual, witty, audience, beauty enthusiasts, tech lovers, parents, 18 to 30 or 50 years old. Word count, you could also include that. And you can also include the format. Is it how to or guide style? Then after that, step 4, refine with Jasper commands. So here is an example command that you can use for Jasper. And then step 5, customize the review. Make your review stand out by asking Jasper to compare it with other competitors. So compare Dyson Supersonic with Revlon one-step hair dryer. Add real-world cases or use cases, include an example of how it performs for thick and curly hair, and so on. And step 6, it's about time to edit and finalize. So use Jasper's rephrase or fix grammar tool. You can see that inside jasper.ai to polish sentences, add personal touches or testimonials, and then check for factual accuracy. So basically that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.